Guys, well, there goes the Boba Tea. He was laughing so hard. It was so good he dropped it. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Cheo. In today's video, I am going to be making boba tea. Thanks to Milkbox, they sent me a DIY boba tea kit. This box goes for $20, and for every box sold, it feeds 10 people. This is exciting because this is my first time making boba tea, and also because we're giving back to the community, which I'm always down for. So let's see what's in the box and get started. All right, as you can see here, do-it-yourself boba tea kit. Help us feed 1 million people. On the back it says, no more waiting in long lines and fighting for parking. Make your own drinks from the comfort of your own home. What's inside your boba box? Loose leaf tea, boba, boba straws, tea, and boba instructions. Okay, let's open it up. We got some boba straws. Got the instructions here. We got some organic black tea, brown sugar, and some boba. When you open up, there's a mission statement on here. The mission statement says, our mission is to inspire current and future generations to take action through simple acts of generosity. With every boba box purchase, we promise to provide capital to our partners who are cooking and delivering nutritious meals to anyone in need. You can help feed 10 people with every boba box purchased, which is amazing. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is add 10 cups of water and put it to a boil. So this box serves about 8 drinks, so be ready to have a party. Alright, turn off this. Let's put it over here in the stove top. Okay, so I just set it on high heat. It's gonna boil. Once it's set to a boil, we're gonna put the boba in and stir it slowly. Since the water is boiling, I am going to put in the boba. Use our teeth. It smells wonderful. Stirring the boba slowly. So I need something to stir this with. Alright. Put this boba in. Throw it all in. All the boba's in. Stir. I'm like nervous. I'm not trying to mess this up. It's my first time. Alright, and then it says to reduce heat to medium high and set a timer for 25 minutes. So let me put a timer on. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, timer is on. 25 minutes. It says to stir occasionally. Look at this boba. It's exciting. They look amazing. I'm excited to try this though. This is like a new experiment for me. I never knew how they made it or anything. Look at these boba balls. Like, kind of makes me want to try it already, but I know I shouldn't. I have to be patient.
You guys see this? No crutches.
No crutches, guys.
He expedited the road to recovery.
I'm expediting it. These calves, these toothpicks.
When your girlfriend has thicker calves than you.
Yeah, as of right now, you might.
I think I had them when I met you.
No, definitely not. Look at these calves. Yeah.
Your ACL was still messed up when I met you and you weren't working out.
It'd be like that sometimes.
You were doing your little reservoir walks.
My runs?
Walks.
Walks. I didn't walk the reservoir.
Well, you don't got the calves to show it.
It don't matter what I say, she always gotta give me something back, and it make me mad.
Fun. I got someone big jokes in the background. So the boba cooked for about 25 minutes. I'm going to turn off the heat. Stir this a little bit more. I'm gonna cover it. Okay guys, so after I let this sit for about 30 minutes, I'm going to drain the boba and rinse it out for about 15 seconds to get all the extra starch out. The boba sat for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to drain it. Oh, it looks black. 15 seconds to get all the excess stuff out. In. Look at all that extra starch. It's crazy. Look at that. It's so cool.
You excited to try boba? Do you want a boba with us?
Bubble tea? What the hell is bubble tea?
Bubble tea? You never had bubble tea before?
No.
You're gonna have to boba with us. This is the first time in California. You better boba with us. You know they're focused on 2K. Okay.
Who doesn't boba?
All right. So it says to put 2 tablespoons of hot water. We got some really hot water here. Oh, just burn me right now. Just deep. 1, 2. Alright, get all this brown sugar in. Alright, now I'm gonna stir it. I just put the brown sugar in and I mixed it. Now I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. Let's get to the tea. Alright, to start the tea, I need to bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Let's get our cups again. This water's hot. 2, 3, and the last one, 4. The water's boiling. Now I'm going to put 1 cup of ice into the pot. Cubes are huge, so all I have to do is truly just put 1. Turn the heat off and mix the cup of ice. So next, I'm going to put the black tea bags in and then submerge them in the water, flipping them every 30 seconds. It's a huge tea bag. It's a nice ones too, actually. Okay, get both of the tea bags. I'm gonna submerge them, and then every 30 seconds, I'm going to flip them. Flip it, 30 seconds has passed. Flipping the tea. What's up, bro? You wanna come over here and check it out? Got the boba here and the tea. You ready to have some boba?
You're gonna boba with us?
Yeah.
Do you know what boba is? It's tapioca starch.
I have no idea what tapioca is.
Well, we're gonna try it today. Smell of black tea. Smells amazing. Okay guys, so depending on how sweet you want it, if you want it like 100% sweet or just 50%, you would either put 1 cup of sugar or half a cup. So I added 3/4 cup instead of the 50% or 100%. I'm just being complicated. All right, so I'm putting it in, stir it around. Okay guys, so after I put the sugar in, now it's time to put in the milk. So if you do not use dairy products, if you're vegan or plant-based, you can use oat milk. They require you to use 3/4 cup instead of the like 2.5 cups of regular milk they tell you to do in the instructions. Okay, so again my cups here. Here is 1 cup, 2 cups, 3.5 for oat milk. Look at this, smells great. It has a nice brown color to it. I'm excited. All right guys, so we're done. So now that we're finished, let's make our boba teas. Whoa, this is so weird. The texture is so cool.
That's good.
I think that's good for that one. It's gonna come out good. I pray. Guys, everybody over in Milkbox, don't judge me over this. I will get better as time goes by.
Trial and error.
Trial and error. As long as I'm trying. Okay, I think that's enough boba. Let's put some tea in. Ooh, making a mess. Whoa, look at the boba. I'm excited. All right, get some ice cubes in there. There's 1. There's 2. Wow, perfect amount. Put the straws in. These big straws. Okay, boba is done. Okay guys, so we're done the boba tea. Okay, here we go. Let's try it out. Ooh, I'm making a mess already. Cheers. He looks so nervous.
What do you think about it, Kai?
It's really good. The tea's good. Just the texture of the boba is really weird.
It's interesting.
But, yeah. But other than that, it's really good.
There we go, guys. Thank you for trying out the boba tea. Guys, thank you for watching. I also want to give a big shout out to Milkbox. Thank you guys for sending me the boba tea box, the do-it-yourself box. You guys are doing truly amazing things. If you guys want to try this out, you can purchase a box for $20, and every box purchased feeds 10 people. You can't go wrong with that. It's truly amazing. Guys, well, there goes the boba tea. He was laughing so hard. It was so good he dropped it. Alright guys, well, on that note, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys want to try out this boba box, again, check out the link down in the description. You guys get 10% off if you use code Cheo. Don't be like him and dropping your boba after it took me an hour and a half to make. Guys, peace out guys.